Let's make this cup. I started with a 20-ounce skinny sublimation cup from the Stainless Depot. I went in with a cream color high viscosity paint and covered that with a tan glitter from PDB Creative Studio. I sealed that glitter with a polycrylic sealer, and once that dried, I went in with a coat of Liquid Art Elite epoxy from KS Resin. Next, I chose this log cabin decal and coordinating vinyl from Gracefully Created. I added the vinyl strips over the bald areas on the cup. Then I started to put down a white splatter decal and the log cabin decal on, but then I realized I should add the striping tape first. So I added the striping tape and then added the decal, but off camera you'll see that I decided that I didn't want the white splatter after all. So I removed both decals from the cup and separated the layers, and then I added just the cabin decal by itself. I covered that with another coat of epoxy, added a bottom decal and one more layer of epoxy. And now it's cute.